Moto, 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 What's poppin', what's crackin', what's gay, baby? Yeah! It's Moto riding madmaxy's bike today. He said, I'm giving this bike away and I need you to test ride it. So I'm test riding it for him. So, shout out madmaxy. It's gonna be a long day. This is the giveaway bike. This is the giveaway GSXR. And this is the endurance run today. I put a new air filter in it. I have tools with me. Meeting up with some guys. And really excited to see how the day goes. I don't know. We still have a very, very small oil leak. Nothing I'm too concerned with. Wiring's still a mess, but again, we're just making sure that everything's mechanically sound on this thing. I put new front brakes on it. I put new rear brakes. I bled them both. Great idle. Gotta get to the gas station nice and easy. And we're filling up with some of the most expensive gas. It's gonna be a very long journey. But I'm excited to show you guys what a properly running 2002 GSXR is supposed to be. Because I don't see a single video on the internet of one running properly. So, what I'm doing today is I'm running the Power Commander 5 with the auto tune. Got the O2 sensor plugged in, single channel. And I'm going to be tuning this thing all day to get the most out of it. Our goal is easy 5th gear wheelie, or 3rd gear wheelie. It's actually nuts. It's legit nuts ass. It's insane. I can't put it on the same level as the H2, but because the H2 is so stable at very high speeds. I need to adjust my microphones too. But this, you're taking wind in the face right now. Without a windscreen, you know, speeds are a lot more intense. Oh, fuck. Oh, something broke already. Great. Cool. My throttle cable snapped. Oh no, my whole throttle tube is gone. My throttle tube, it actually cracked off the entire thing. Yeah. I'll be good, thank you. was like, what? Dude, how does that happen? Are you This is what happens when you leave your bike outside. I didn't leave it outside, but when it gets left outside... Are you kidding me? Oh my god! You were the most painful motherfucking bike I've ever owned in my life, bro. Dude, awesome bike. One of my favorites. But yeah, dude, I just got done building this and the throttle tube just entirely broke off.
Oh my, the cable broke.
No, the tube.
Oh, the tube?
No, the tube cracked. I think one of my buddies was working on it and left it outside for a while, so I think the throttle tube just kind of deteriorated. Anyway, it's gone. It's all good. What? What'd you say?
So do you have any tools you need to try to tighten that?
No, I mean like the tube broke.
Oh, it broke.
The tube.
Oh, okay.
So like, you know, the throttle tube, it broke right in here. Do you have a tow rope?
Huh?
Do you have a tow rope?
I don't.
Shit. I was gonna say if I could just get... Isn't the gas station right there? Or what?
How far do you gotta go?
I just have to... I was just gonna go to the Shell station. I live out here.
Yeah.
But...
You got somebody who can come pick you up?
I got some guys coming out for...
What's the game going there? Yeah, I don't know how you...
I don't know how I'm gonna do it either. I'll figure it out though. Thank you.
Alright. Yeah, I think the only thing you can do is tie your bike down by the hand grip.
Can you give me a ride to the Shell gas station? Because that's all I just really need a ride there.
Go to the Shell dealer?
The Shell gas station?
Yeah, it's on the 60.
Yeah, it's like right here.
Yeah.
I don't know. I think you can go. You go this way, right?
Oh, I'll just go up here and turn right to the right.
Thank you. Are you ready? I'm ready. Oh my God. Yeah, yeah. Well, Jesus, that smells like a fresh explosion. Hello? Oh my gosh. The throttle tube shattered. Swix is gonna laugh his ass off at this one. Nothing like arriving to a meetup, not to butt. Yeah. Thank you. I appreciate it. Thank you. You too. God damn it. I might just go back to my house, get a strap.
I think, like, to be on the safe side, I don't know. Maybe take a different bike, you know?
I can put, if the throttle tube's good, man.
Yeah.
Like, I don't know, there's not a single thing I haven't gone over on this, like. Yeah, so this is gonna T and then you're just gonna hang it right. And
Crozier, right?
Crozier, it's gonna T. So once it T's, just go right and you're.
I could probably put that under my jacket.
Alright.
I think.
I mean,
Come on, bitch.
I can put it under your camel. Okay, that works. Ready for me? Alright. Yeah, just don't hit it. Keep going. Thank you.